operators, and we'll be going to write our first program. So guys, let's get started. And if you have all not watched the previous videos on the modules and the pip and then the different data types and the variables, you can check out the previous videos that I have made, and hope you all follow the series in a correct order so that you keep updating yourself with the new and all the new and fresh updates of Python. So now let's start with our today's class. Today I am going to teach you all operators, and with operators our first program that will be the wide basic, because I'm making it this for very beginners who doesn't know what is programming language itself. So let's get started. So firstly, what are operators? Firstly, here I have written a small definition. Operators, sorry, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So guys, now you know what is variables. I have told in the previous video. Now see, what does this operator, I will tell you in a better way. See, if, let me take code over here. See, if I had taken a equal to 10 and then b equal to 10, now what is the use of taking? I will just print a, okay, and it will give me a. So what is the use of doing this? There was nothing, right? Just assigned a, b, and there is nothing use of it, particular use of it. So operators are used to perform operations on variables. These are the variables that we have created. A and b is variable which has value of 10 and 10. And what operation will do on it? Like see, you are having a apple and mango in your home, and you have kept this apple and mango in a place, and you are not eating it, not touching it. What is the use of doing it? Nothing, right? If you eat, it will be good for your health. There's an operation which you do. The same way we'll do operations on a and b operation. That operation is called as operators is, suppose if I do a plus b, this is an operation. I did an addition operation on this a variable and b variable. So then I will print a plus b. Let me store it on sum equal to. Now if I print sum, it should give me 20, right? Sum, and then, oh sorry, run. I got 20 over here. So what did I do? I did an operation on the variables. So remember the definition of this. If they ask in any of the exam or anywhere, operators are used to perform operations on variables and value. These are variables and the values. Values, suppose if I had 10 plus 10, 20. So these are values. So variables and values, we are performing the operations. So now what are the different types of operators in Python? So firstly we have the addition operator. Addition operator, as we just did, the operator sign which we use over here is the plus. What? The plus one. If you want to do a plus b, you can do it. If you want, if I had suppose another variable c equal to 100, and if I can even do a plus b plus c. So this is also possible over here. So this addition operator, that is the plus sign which we use. Then we know the subtraction. We can minus, just replace this by minus, okay? Minus. So if I had run this, I'll get the answer. Minus 100 is my answer. So similarly, what in multiplication, subtraction, what we use, which is the symbol? Minus we are using. So this is the subtraction operator. A is 10, B is 20, and C, we can perform subtraction on them. Then we know the multiplication. If I had a 10 into 10, that is 100. So a into b. Now if I print this 100, I got 100. Don't go with this word, guys. This is just a variable. Let me take it as r. Okay, and let me print r over here. So I got 100. So multiplication is also possible. Multiplication, for multiplication, which symbol we'll use? The star. The star you can use. You can see it is there, star. I'm showing you all. This is the star. You can use this star for multiplication. For addition we use plus, and for subtraction we use the minus. So this star, important is this star. Plus and minus you will be knowing obviously, but this star is important, which we use in programming for multiplication between two variables or two values, such as a and b over here. Now let's go with the next, that is the division. So division is, as we all know already, if you have learned basic mathematics, obviously division will be known by everybody. In division we use what? We use the slash over here. Use the forward slash. So a suppose A divided by D. A, suppose I take this 10 and this is 2. Let me remove C so that there should not be a confusion. A divided by B. What should I get? 5. Oh, okay. These were, let me comment out this. Let me remove it. Now let me run this. So I got 5. So this is what is division, which we use the slash for division. Slash for division, plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication. Now still here it was quite easy. Now let's go with the modulus operator. So modulus operator. So guys, now let's go with the modulus operator. What does the modulus operator do? Now let me tell you with an example what does the modulus operator do. Now for instance, you know that modulus operator we use which symbol? We use that around, let me show it over here. Yeah, we use this particular symbol, that is the percentage one. Use this symbol. You can see over here I'm printing it multiple times so that you keep it in your mind. This is modulus. And what does this modulus do? This gives us the reminder. How? Let me show it. Now suppose let me consider if I had 5 is divided by 2. 5 is divided by 2. Now let me go with the basic, as much as basic I could. This is 5 over here and here I have 2. So 2 2's will give me 4 over here and the remainder that will be left is 1. This is what is the modulus operator. It gives us the reminder. It gives me the reminder. I get this particular reminder. Here I got 1. If I had done, like suppose, let me consider if I had done 10 and then with 2. This will give me how much? 2 5's are, that is 10. And if I print, what will be the reminder? It will be 0. Don't consider my handwriting, guys, because I am not going in detail of my handwriting and all. So hope you all understood what it is. It gives the reminder. The reminder, this is the modulus what I got. This is the modulus operator that performs the particular task. Hope you all understood. This is the reminder which will we get. So how will you run the code? See, now I have, let me consider A as 5, B as 2 and R is A, that is our modulus operator percentage which we usually use. Which symbol is that? Let me show you all again. Shift plus 5. Shift plus 5. Hold shift plus 5. You will get this particular symbol. Shift. What did I tell? Shift plus 5. Shift plus the 5. You will get the this particular symbol. Now, whenever, so what should I get now? 5 is there and 2 is there. If we divide 5 by 2, we'll get what? Tell me 1. So I should get 1 now. See, I got 1. Now if I had placed over here 10, I should get 0. Remainder should be 0. I got 0. So this is the modulus operator. Now next comes the exponential. What is exponential, guys? Okay, let me all tell you what is exponential. Now if I ask you all, what is 5 square? That is 25, right? 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 into 5 will give me 25. What is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 will give me 125. Okay, 125. Not only 5, if I had taken 2 cube or 2 square, suppose 2 square, like if I go 2 square is 4, and next if I go with 2 cube, that will give me 2 into 2 into 2 8. And suppose if I had gone with the 4, 2 to the power of 4, so how much that will give me? 16. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 16. So in order, instead of writing this like this, like 1 by 1 by 1 by 1, we can use the exponential in this. Suppose I had written 5 and the same star which we used in multiplication, but it should be double times, 2 times, star, star, and how many times you want to get the value, that is 5 to the power of 3 or 5 to the power of 2, 5 square, 5, if I want 5 cube. And if I now this, let me store this in A variable, and now I will print A. So what answer I should get, guys? 125, right? So will I get 125? I got 125. So this whatever I have written is nothing but it's same as, it's whatever I have written is it's same as 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. This particular code is same as this. Now there is no rule that I should have only 5. You can keep 2, and you can even change this to 4 if you want 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4, that is 16 I get. So it is same as, and that is same as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 16. So this is what is the exponential. The operator which we use here is the multiplication one which you use, that is the star, but you should use it two times. Two times. Then the syntax is as follows, guys. First you should keep the number which you want to double, and then the two stars, and then how many times you want it. How many times. So hope you got the exponential. Now floor division, we have this in Python, that is floor division. What is floor division? Let me explain. I hope you all got the before, that is exponential. If I go with the floor division, suppose if I had done for a equal to 5, suppose 5.5 divided by 2.5, and then I had printed a. I got 2.2. If I had used floor division, that is if I had given this, so I would get only 2. That zero point 0.5 is removed, that 0.2 is removed. You will get a single element, that is 2 or anything. Like it's kind of rounded off to that particular code. So if I keep So in the floor division, basically what happens is, see, now I divided 5.5 divided by 2.5, I got 2.2. But whenever you use the floor division, that is this slash over here should be given two times. Like we did star over there, here we are having this slash is used twice. And if I run it, I should get only 2. It will round off it to the nearest factor. It will round it off. Basically, it is used to round off the value. What we use in this? We use the double slashes over here. The word forward slash is used in order to get the round off of the particular answer, and it is called as floor division. Hope you understood. We use what? We use double slash. It is the rounded off. If your answer was 2.2233, suppose, it will be rounded off. It will be rounded off to 2 by floor division, because this question will be asked in many of the exams, so I am telling it again and again. It is called as floor division, and we use double slashes over there. Hope you understood. So what are operators? Operators are the one which are used to perform operations on variables and values. Variables like a, b, which has two values, and we perform operation in between them. It is like you having apple and mango in your home and you're just keeping it. No use. You should perform an operation like cutting and eating or etc. Similarly, we are having these types of operators. That is the addition operator, which is used to perform addition. We use the plus over there. Subtraction used for minus. We use minus. Multiplication for multiplication, multiplying a number, and we use the star symbol. Division, the forward slash. Then the modulus. We use the modulus and exponential. Hope you got understood this. So now, guys, I will tell you all to write the first program. That is, let the Python program you should assign a number like a equal to any number, b equal to any number, and it should give all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. All these should be performed, but the value, you should give the value, that is a equal to a specific value, assign it, b equal to specific value, assign it, and it should print all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, and floor division. So I request you all to pause the video and perform this particular task. I hope you did it, guys. Now I will show you how it is performed. See here, I took a variable a which is assigned 10 over here. Then I took a variable b which is 8. Then print statement, as you all know. Then the double quote, the addition of a and b is. Then comma is very important over here, as this is a separate operation that will be performed. Comma a plus b, adding 10 plus 8, that is 18 I should get. You should place a comma. How should you write, guys? Print and whatever you want between this double quote, that will be considered as string, and you can write anything between those double quotes. And when you want to perform an operation, you should keep the comma over there, and then without the quotes, any of the quotes, that is the double quote or the single quote, a plus b, or you can place a minus b, anything can be performed, but that comma is necessary. Then your operation, there you need not specify the quotes. Similarly, for a minus b, a divided by b, and this floor division, and a multiplied by b, a modulus b, and a double star b. Now you can see if I print this, I got 18 is the addition, subtraction is 2, division is 1.25, and rounding off 1.25 by the floor division I got 1, and multiplication is 80, and then modulus we got 2, exponential is this big value, that is for the 10, which is multiplied 8 times, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, like that 8 times. So I got this value. Hope you all understood this particular program and today's class on the operators. I have made it much easy to explain you all these concepts in a much better way. If you are still finding difficulty to understand, please comment down below. And if you liked it, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. And let me meet in the next Python series, which will be more interesting with more different topics, with the basic, with every basic that even a layman, even a one who is not able to know Python and is not knowing any of the programming language will be easily understanding the concepts in a better way.